Fully submersible 800 gallons per hour bilge pump with a self-contained automatic switch to maintain a safe water level. Features a durable plastic housing that can withstand the harshest marine environment. Comes with a universal mounting base for effortless installation and cleaning. With a tough stainless steel impeller shaft and tinned marine-grade wiring for a steady and reliable performance. The outlet hose barb measures 3/4, that can fit a common 3/4 bilge hose and thru-hull fittings. Top reviews from the United States. 1 Bad Mama Jamma. After getting that phone call from where I dock my boat, you know, the one that drops your stomach. My boat was taking on water from a less than 3-month-old bilge pump that failed. I replaced at the beginning of summer and bought this one. I'll be honest, when it came I said this thing is tiny, so I bought a bigger brand and thought I would keep this on the boat just in case. When the phone call came it was already bad, as it was after a major storm, so I was mad, but once I hooked this little gem up I think I could power a dam with it, and my battery seems to love this little thing. Bigger isn't always better, and never again will I get them 1100 GPH rip-offs. This thing does the job with battery left over.